What's up, guys? This is Brett, aka Crypto2Surf, coming at you from a super rare Gulf Coast snow day. Yesterday we received a historical 8 inches of snow. Absolutely unheard of, nothing like that on record here. In fact, we haven't even had a dusting of snow since I think 2017, 7 years ago. Super rare, super fun. Kiddos have been having a blast. We've been sledding and going down hills on foamy surfboards with all our friends, enjoying this nice little break. Matter of fact, you know, in crypto we get stuck being behind these computers staring at our devices, and sometimes we get caught up in the hurry up and go part of this, but it's always important to get out and touch some grass, as they say, or in this instance touch some snow. And if you don't know, Jupiter's having a massive airdrop right now. I will put the link down in the description below. You have like 3 months to claim your free airdrop, but all you have to do is go to the link, hook up all of your Solana wallets from Solflare, Phantom, check to see if you're eligible, and then claim it. Make sure you don't get duped out there. You know, tons of scammers create these fake links and they want you to click on them. You connect your wallet, they steal all of your digital currency. Make sure you don't fall for that crap. Use only the links directly from Jupiter. I'll put it down in the description below to make sure it's the correct one, so that way you don't fall for some idiot on Twitter trying to claim that they're directly from Jupiter. They create this fake link and you hook up your wallet and then all your crypto is gone. Don't fall for it, guys. Be safe out there. With any luck, hopefully you'll qualify for a nice fat airdrop. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Good luck.